All right, I'm going to go ahead and speak a little bit before the play along, and I'm going to break it down. First things, with the left hand going up, we want to focus a bit more with the left hand because when we're playing, that 5 and 4 finger are not only weaker muscles, but shorter. So a lot of learners are too far away from the keyboard, and I'm exaggerating. I'm sitting like this for a reason. So you want to make sure you're comfortable, sitting on the edge of the bench, and you're practicing 1, 2, 3, 4, and so you have some support with your arm in the pinky. Going up, we're focusing a little bit more on our left hand because a lot of times we get the pattern down, but we're kind of flailing and flat. We want to avoid that. Quality practice, people. Quality. Here we go. Both hands focusing on the left going up, and then going down, we'll focus on the right. 3 and try, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, almost there. 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, before we go back down, a few things. I always feel like I'm demonstrating too slow or too fast, so let me know. But if it was too fast, take advantage of YouTube. One of their best features, if you don't know about it, is slowing it down the cog wheel. But again, let me know. Also, if you're finding that you're flailing a little bit with your fingers or you're splatting a little bit, an example would be 1, and you're hesitating, even slow it down more and go back to one hand at a time. Another one I've seen learners do, 1, pretty good, and then they don't line up, a little uneven. Take your time and discipline yourself to go slower. Now we're going to start from the top, the G's, and now it's the right hand 5 finger and then the 4 on the E. And the left is 1 and the 2. Here I go. 3 and 4 and 2. 4 and F. 3, 4 and E. 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, and B, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, common question. How do I know when to speed it up? How can I get faster? Well, one of the things is stay consistent with your practicing. 2, have a checklist. Make sure you're practicing with really good arm weight, fingers, not pressing but playing the keyboard. We're not just doing this. We're not flailing. And slowly you can speed it up. Remember what I said in the beginning of this lesson? Quality practice. That is what it's about. All right, have fun with the play along. Let me know if it helps you, and comments are always welcome. Please take care. Bye for now. 2, 3, and 4, and. Hey everybody, what's going on? Jim from Grassroots Piano. Today it's both hands. Let's begin. We're going to go really slow, and I'm going to speak through it first and then give some tips. Oh, I think I did it wrong. Yeah, I'm doing another exercise. All right.